General Luna is a municipality located on the island of Siargao in the Philippines. Siargao Island is known for its pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and world-class surfing spots, making it a popular destination for tourists, especially surfers. General Luna serves as the main tourist hub on Siargao Island and is home to numerous resorts, hotels, restaurants, and surf shops. The town is situated on the eastern coast of the island and offers easy access to several famous surf breaks, such as Cloud 9, which is renowned for its powerful and hollow waves. The annual Siargao Cup, an international surfing competition, is held at Cloud 9 and attracts surfers from around the world. Aside from surfing, General Luna offers other attractions and activities for visitors. You can explore the stunning beaches and go island hopping to nearby islets like Naked Island, Daku Island, and Gayam Island, where you can relax, swim, and enjoy the beauty of the surrounding nature. The vibrant coral reefs around Siargao also make it an excellent destination for snorkeling and diving. In General Luna, you'll find a range of accommodations, from budget-friendly guest houses to luxury beachfront resorts. The town itself has a laid-back and friendly atmosphere, with a variety of restaurants and bars serving both local and international cuisine. You can sample fresh seafood, Filipino delicacies, and even international dishes during your stay. To reach General Luna and Siargao Island, you can fly into Siargao Airport, Siargao Airport, from major Philippine cities like Manila or Cebu. From the airport, it's a short drive to General Luna. Overall, General Luna in Siargao Island offers a tropical paradise for beach lovers, surf enthusiasts, and nature seekers. Its stunning natural beauty, warm hospitality, and world-class surf breaks make it a must-visit destination in the Philippines.
If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe and click the notification bell.